Hello class 5, welcome to my class. We were doing MS Word. Today we are going to do about shapes. So for shapes, press insert. So you have this in illustration group, you have picture, clip art, shapes, smart art and chart. So in illustration group you have shape option. Click on that. You have various shape. You can see you can take any one shape. Suppose I have taken this. Okay, I have taken this shape. You can see this is the ribbon, and you can see 7 options: home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review and view tab below the title bar. You can see the tab. As I'm selecting going to draw that shape, as I have drawn one shape, suddenly the upper ribbon is changed. Now one additional tool in drawing tool appeared. This is format tab. When it is appeared, so format tab, you can see the options. Now you have different styles to you can see as I am hovering the mouse pointer, the color is getting changed. See, you can select if you want anyone you can select. Now you have shape fill option. When you are clicking on the shape fill, a dialog box will appear, a drop down list will be appear with the color and different options. Okay, you can choose any color from that. Then okay, you can add shadow effects. You can add shadow effects. You have drop shadows, you have perspective shadows, additional shadow styles, etc. So any one you can select. So I have selected this one. Okay, as you can see the change in shape. I hope it is clear to you to how to take the shadow effect. So you have taken shadow effect. You can take any other also. Now we'll do word art. So again I am just clicking on insert tab. Here we have word art effect. Just click. You can see different font style. Just take any one. So I have taken this, and this dialog box will appear. This window will appear. Just click. Just I'm pressing it backspace, so it is deleted. So you can type anything. So I have typed this, then click OK. You can see the same style of font, whatever you have typed is appeared on the screen. Just you can increase the size. You can bring it up. You can see the desired size you can change. Okay, so we have done this word art. So now next topic is subscript and superscript. Now what is subscript and superscript? Suppose I have typed here H2O. See, now selecting 2. One character I have selected. Now this button is for subscript. So click on that. You can see this selected text is slightly below the normal text line. So whatever is slightly below the normal text line is called subscript. You can similarly you can make it superscript. Whatever this okay, I'm going to type the another. This is the chemical formula of water, you can see. Now I have a square plus b square. But this is not square now, this is normally 2. So let it change. Okay, I have selected 2. Now I'm doing this option, you can see this is called superscript. I have clicked, so now you can see the change. The text which was selected is normally above the normal text line, so it is slightly above the normal text line. Similarly, I'm going to do this, so it is now it is a square plus b square. Now it is clear to you. I hope it is clear to you. So whatever is slightly above the normal text line is called superscript, and whatever is below the normal text line is called subscript. Now I think it is clear to you what is this superscript and subscript. Now we are going to insert the header and footer. Suppose you typed a paragraph and you want to insert the header and footer. So you have to click on the insert tab. First of all, you will prepare the document or you will open the document. Then press the insert tab. You can see insert tab. Now see this header and footer group. In header and footer group, you can see the header. Just you can select the header and drop down list will appear. You can see if you want to add it or you want to insert. So I have clicked this. When I'm clicking this, you can see the change. What type of, you can see a header is inserted where you can type the text. You can see header is inserted. Now similarly, you have footer option. Header are basically used to give title of the portion, whatever is there, whatever paragraph. If you have any paragraph, to give the title, you have to select the header, and if you have if you want to give additional footnotes, you have to just press on the footer. So I have just choose the style. I have chosen this style. Now you can see the header is inserted below the page. So header is at the top of the page and footer is at below the page. So this way you can insert header and footer to the group. Now I hope it is clear to you. Rest of the things will be included in our next video. So my dear students, thank you so much. I hope it is clear to you.